Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. In this study, we're going to discuss about cardiovascular disease by using data mining technique on Orange software. Our member is Shafika, Ashraf, Changse and Shafiq.
Good afternoon, madam. My name is Changse and my metric number is 273963. So this slide is talk about topic knowledge. So what is CVD? CVD is cardiovascular disease. Encompass a wide variety of heart and blood vessel issues. Heart attacks and strokes are frequently expected events caused by blockage that prevents blood from flowing to the heart or brain. The most common cause is it is built out of fatty deposit on the inner walls of blood vessels that supplies the heart or the brain. Okay, next, what is data mining? Data mining is a technique for extracting and uncovering patterns in large data sets that combine approaches from machine learning, statistics, and database systems. So normally business will learn more about their customers by using this data mining to look for patterns in massive volumes of data. It is effective in data gathering, warehousing, and computer processing. Next, problem statement. In today's globe, non-communicable illnesses account for 35 million fatalities, with CVDs accounting for slightly more than half of these 70 million. More than one-third of the fatalities occur in middle-aged people. CVD is getting more and more serious in the society. This is because that high blood pressure, smoking, excessive cholesterol, diabetes, and others. So as a result, our team would like to use data mining techniques to construct a classification model of CVD. Okay, next, objective. There are three objectives in this project. First one is to develop a model to classify CVD. The second one is to identify which techniques are better and efficient in classifying and predicting in terms of accuracy. And then the last one is to identify the most significant variable. Significance of study. So after we do the project, we have learned the prevention of heart disease is a serious public health problem not only in Dallas-Fort Worth, but throughout the country. So it's critical that individuals must learn to recognize and control risk factors for heart disease, such as healthy diet, regular exercise, and some other methods. And furthermore, data mining aids in the development of smart market decisions, the execution of correct campaigns, the prediction of outcomes, and much more. Data mining allows us to study people's behavior and insights. That's all from me. Thank you very much, and I'll pass to Shafiq.
My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Shamsuddin. My material number is 25681. Now I'm going to explain about literature review. The purpose of this literature review is to know how data mining is useful in cardiovascular disease problem and what technique can be used to solve this problem. Okay, I'm going to explain about how data mining is useful in CDS problem based on our literature review. Firstly, it helps designing clinical support system because of their ability to discover the hidden pattern and medical relationship in medical data by Sheikh Umar Amin 2010. Second, extracted clinical data and deliver the model of prediction Limia Abed Nur Muhammad 2012. Third, to help extracting information and data by uneffective tools as Sibagogo 2013. Discover the part of utilization for 8 people in a healthcare system by strategy for mission, adapting more over procedure of the company. Monica Randi, 2015. And next, for predicting the risk level of every person is given a view of age, blood pressure, cholesterol, gender, and process. Teresa Pricey, 2016. And lastly, solve the problem of heart disease. Maganta S. And now I'm going to tell you about what technique can be used to solve this problem using data mining technique. Firstly, naive bias. Second, decision tree. Third, logistic regression. Fourth, neural network. And that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Azmiko. My metric number is 264817. I will present about the analysis and result. Based on the heart disease prediction system, data mining, which we use Orange applications. For the demographic, respondents of all age under 30 to 60 were represented with slightly larger number in the middle age bracket, which is 50 until 59 and 40 until 49. Categories for accounting, 51% and 28% of the respondent, respectively, which shown in the table 4.1. The adult age bracket was 60 and above years, which accounted for 19% of the respondents. The proportion of age of males and females was about 19.4% and 6% in all age groups. For the physical type, the findings of the study shows the majority of the respondents for physical type for male is 65% and female 35%. Both of the result is based on height and weight for all of the respondents and they summarized in table 4.1. For the table 4.1, age, gender, and physical type, the categories age under 30 show the percentage 0.02%, 30 until 39 show the percentage 2.54%, 40 until 59 28.03%, 50 until 59 50.77%, and 60 until 69 18.64%. The largest number of our respondents that involved in the heart disease is the age within 50 until 59, and the lowest is under 30, which is 0.02 only. Next is health level of the respondent. Most studies indicate that there is a positive relationship between health and age of respondents. Health level of the respondents are presented in figure 4.1. In general, the findings show that the middle age bracket 50 until 59 had the highest health problem, which is 50.77%. Second place for the health problem was at age 40 until 49, which is 28.03%, and age 60 until 69, which 18.64%. The lowest health problem is under 30, which is 0.02%. And the last one is the lifestyle of the respondent. The survey indicates that both gender have different lifestyle, which is indicate to health problem. Based on our data shows that male is 20% is more lower than a female, which is 80% of our respondents shown in table 4.2.
That's me, my metric number 264512. So I will talk about outcome. This classified made total of 70,500 instances that were predicted to be tested for the presence of heart disease. Model development is mainly used for prediction and also calculating the probability of success. Sampling technique used, as you can see here, at its test and score, we use sampling technique, cross-validation with 5-fold to validate the result. So by using a cross-validation sampling, we get evaluating result, which is each model has AUC, CA, F1, precision and recall for each method model, decision tree, neural network, naive bias, and logistic regression. As we can see result here, under AUC have the best at neural network, and classification accuracy also have a neural network at the higher number. So as we can see here, we conclude that neural network algorithms are used to predict if whether a patient have heart disease or not. In this case, we can use neural network to predict heart disease and reduce the time complexity of the doctor.